out. That's what it's doing that. It's flooded out.
I'm recording so you can hear it.